Let's have a look at this headlight then. Whoa, there we go. Very expensive to replace this, probably about 800 quid, maybe more, I don't know. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in, Mark here. Right, today I've got something a bit different. I'm working on a headlight here in Deal, but unfortunately this has suffered some accident damage. I think a bicycle or an invalid carriage clattered into the front of this thing and left behind some nasty scratches. So let's have a look at it. I'm not sure how well you can see this. I've been trying to video it all morning to capture some really decent videos of it. But yeah, the bodywork has all been sorted out. But luckily for me, the body shop who did that knew about me and recommended the owner come and speak to me about the scratches you can see here on the headlight. Quite nasty. As is often the case, they're left behind. Nobody knows what to do with them. But like I say, luckily for me, the body shop knew about me. So they've said, why not give it a go? So that is what I'm going to do today and see if I can get this headlight back to brand new. Very clean, relatively new, nice little Skoda. So we want to try and get rid of these scratches and scuffs if we can. Save the owner a lot of money. So yeah, let's see what I can do in the next hour or two. Say the bodywork all looks immaculate again, that's all been sorted out. But that, if you can see that, it's quite nasty scratching. Let's cut to the time lapse and see how we get on. Thanks for watching, see you in a bit. Hi peeps, welcome back. Right, okay, let's have a look at this headlight then. Whoa, there we go. So this is a 2020 Skoda Fabia, so not very old at all. Like I say, a bit of an unusual one. I have got rid of scratched and scuff accident damage from headlights before, but it's the first time I've documented it on YouTube. The damage actually is still there because it's sort of creased into the plastic, but now when you look at it, your eye is not drawn to it at all. I mean, to all intents and purposes, it has gone. So it is looking a lot better. But still quite a bit of work to get rid of that. So quite an unusual thing, such a new headlight. Very expensive to replace this, probably about 800 quid, maybe more, I don't know. But we've saved the owner having to do that. And it looks really quite nice again. So there you go. Thanks for watching, have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. And that is what I do.